Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is India-Pakistan exchange of nuclear facility list. India and Pakistan exchanged nuclear facility lists on 1st January 2024 under the agreement on the prohibition of attack against nuclear installations and facilities. This marks the 34th consecutive annual exchange since the agreement was first implemented in 1991. Before moving further, we wanted to inform you that the ISGS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains offline batch at Drishti Noida starts on 9th January for English medium and 16th January for Hindi medium. For more details, call us on 87501 87501. Enroll now. Let's discuss its key details. The agreement was signed on 31st December 1988 and came into force on 27th January 1991. Both nations exchange these lists on 1st January every year, ensuring transparency despite strained bilateral relations. The first exchange took place on 1st January 1992. Despite challenges, this protocol reflects consistent diplomatic communication and mutual commitment to non-aggression in nuclear matters. Let us now discuss its significance. Highlights the importance of confidence-building measures between nuclear-armed neighbors, reinforces adherence to international norms and bilateral agreements on nuclear safety, and demonstrates continuity in diplomatic engagement despite other unresolved conflicts. Now's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, when did the first exchange of nuclear facility lists between India and Pakistan occur? 1988, 1991, 1992, or 1995? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.